A great free resource that you can use for designing your own 3D models is called Blender. So, we're not really going to go into too much about it today. What we're going to focus on is getting this bad boy installed. We'll take a quick look around in it once we got it downloaded and installed, and we'll take it from there. So, first things first, let's get it downloaded. We're going to go to blender.org, and up in the top right here, you can see we've got download. So we're going to click on that. Now, I've got Mac system, and there's two different options. There's the Apple processor and the Intel processor. So it helps if you know which one you have. I've got the Apple. So I'm going to go ahead and get that downloading. So allow. And if you do want to donate to them, which helps keep them running awesomely, absolutely feel free to do that. Not for the moment, so we're going to get this open from our downloads and get this moved over here. Okay. And we are processing. Let's see, open, yes. Here we go. Now, I've never used Blender before, so this is as new of an experience for me as it may be for you. I guess we'll find out. While I'm waiting for this to load, just got some filament from Conjure. So I've got that printing in the Infimec right over here. All right, so let's see. We've got language, English. Theme, you can do light or dark. I enjoy the dark. Key map, no idea what that is. So we'll research that later. Mouse select, left or right, spacebar action. Cool. Awesome. So you can come in here and it's got the manual, tutorials, support. So let's crack open tutorials, and that brings up a web page for us here. All right, cool. So let's check Blender Studio. And we're already installed and up and running, so let's see. Awesome, so gives you all kinds of cool information, so you can go in here and it's got videos on how to do all of this stuff. So let's just kick back over to Blender. All right, so with the scroll wheel, I can go in and out. Okay, so let me make this window a little smaller so that you can see it here. So this is kind of neat. So you've got your little axis here that you can shift around. And then you've got all kinds of different options up here. So layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, texture paint, shading, animation, rendering, compositing, geometry nodes, and scripting. So you can do a lot more than just 3D modeling on here. You can do full animation, and I want to say full 3D design on this as well. So there is all kinds of cool stuff that you can do with this, and I'm gonna do my best to research some more about Blender and hopefully get into making some fun little tutorial videos. If there's anything specific that you would like to see on Blender, let me know. And we'll just kind of take it from there. So I'm gonna spend a couple days working on this and see what all I can learn about it, and hopefully come back same time next week and have some cool stuff to be able to show you guys. So this has been Downloading Blender, and we're gonna try to do some more instructional stuff going forward. Let me know what you would like to see. All right, bye.